So what you're going to need is a pie shell, some cinnamon, some butter, slightly melted, and some brown sugar. You butter the pie crust. Doesn't matter if the pie shell breaks up or not. You want to make sure you cover the butter though, the whole pie crust. And you sprinkle the cinnamon. And you sprinkle the brown sugar. You want to try and spread it out evenly. I put it on saran wrap so it's easier to start to roll it and it doesn't stick as much. Don't worry if it breaks up or anything. Then you cut it into pieces. And that's the finished product.